What features should be mentioned about Naughtbaby FitElf 3 Pro Smart Ring? Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because, it has the following features. Fitness Companion. The smart ring pairs with a subscription-free app to track heart rate, steps, and workouts. For indoor activities, treadmill runs, indoor cycling, and swimming, it monitors performance seamlessly. For outdoor workouts like running, cycling, jump rope, and aerobics. Providing real-time progress updates. 24/7 Wellness Monitor. Track calorie burn and heart rate. You can always use the app to measure your own blood pressure, storing results for easy viewing. This sleek fitness ring delivers detailed insights to optimize performance and wellness, ideal for both men and women. Smart Sleep Tracker. The advanced ring monitors your nightly sleep patterns, accurately recording bedtime and detailed sleep stages, including deep sleep, light sleep, REM, eye movement, and awake periods. These comprehensive insights help you understand and enhance your sleep quality for better rest and recovery. Long-lasting power and easy setup. Enjoy 10+ days of continuous use on a single charge, with the included magnetic charging case providing 10 additional charges for 100+ days of portable power. The ring pairs effortlessly with Android 6.0+/iOS 11.0+ smartphones. Scan the QR code on the box to download the app, then enable Bluetooth and location for instant connectivity. Inclusive health tracking for all. The FitElf 3 Pro features a gender-neutral design with specialized health tracking for everyone. For women, it provides comprehensive menstrual cycle monitoring, including period logging, fertility window prediction, and period forecasting. Waterproof and durable, it seamlessly tracks weight and other key metrics to support complete wellness management for both men and women. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.